welcome back to another video. You join us today in another video on the BMW 1 Series. Now, as promised in the last video, this is going to be an interior modification. I'm hoping it goes well. We'll soon to find out, and it's something that I've not seen anyone do or use. I mean, I've seen them do it different ways, but you'll see later on in the video how it goes anyway. So, as you guys know, the interior of the BMW 1 Series, the E87, is not... It's quite a dated place, really, and I say that for most BMWs. I mean, even the newer ones, okay, they're not as bad, they're sort of updated, but I feel like BMW sort of try and concentrate more on the driver's experience rather than the interior and the luxury side of the car. This is obviously only a 2007 plate car, but as comparing it to the Audi TT, the interior in the TT is, I'd say, a lot nicer. In my opinion, you guys may disagree. So looking around the BMW 1 Series, I've noticed that there's a lot of silver trimming, and on these silver trimming there's a lot of scratches which have happened over time. It may be the same if you own a BMW 1 Series and you're watching this, you may have noticed the same thing. Now I'm hoping that this modification will not only improve the look of it, it'll actually sort of repair the look of it, so you won't have to see the scratches or anything anymore. So I think let's just get straight into it, and we're going to start removing all of this silver trimming that is inside this car now. Well, most of it, the most that I can get out of it, really, and we're actually going to start wrapping it in forged carbon. Before we go and show you the wrap that we're going to be wrapping it in, we'll start removing it first. Let's do this. I don't actually have any panel removers, so you're going to have to deal with me with the rusty screwdriver. I'm struggling on this bit, and I've just watched a video on YouTube and it looks like you have to remove the whole thing to get this out. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to give this a go of wrapping it whilst it's in here. Okay, so we are now in my garage, which I've tried to make as dust free as possible. It's not too bad actually. We should be able to wrap these parts without with being completely dust free. We've got pretty much everything that we want to wrap. So these are all the brushed sort of silver bits from BMW. Obviously we've still got the centre console bit, which we're going to have to wrap inside the car, or give it a go at wrapping inside the car. But all this stuff pretty much came out really easily. So I mean, if you do want to wrap it any other colour, it's going to be easy to remove and change anyway. So let me go get this forged carbon wrap. This is forged carbon wrap. I mean, hopefully you can see in the light. But look, and it's actually sort of textured as well. It's quite a rough one. It's not a gloss carbon. It's the sort of matte carbon. But you see these now on a lot of the Lamborghinis and newer sort of supercars. But I think that is going to look so sick. First step is I think we've got to clean these, and then we'll just do a big time lapse. I don't know whether you guys are interested in me showing you how to wrap it. I don't know, I'll talk you through it. Let's clean the parts up first. One panel is done. That is gonna look sick when all of them are done. Okay. Now, let me time lapse the rest of them, and then we'll get to putting them back on the car.
Push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right.
guys, it is finished. It is completely transformed the interior of the car, and the forged carbon just looks sick. It looks so good. Probably should have done the steering wheel here. Actually, let me bring you inside. So I think I will do these bits of the steering wheel. I don't think you can actually remove them from the steering wheel though. I'm not too sure, but let me know in the comments. But I think I definitely will do that. I still haven't done this tray, but I've done the surrounding area of it. But definitely the tray needs doing. I also probably should do the gear stick. I have got plenty of carbon wrap left to do all that. This massive bit here has completely changed the look of the inside, and then we've got the full carbon on, the full forged carbon on that side as well, and it just looks so much different. Definitely need to do them. But yeah, all the handles are done. What a difference that has made. So guys, if you did like and enjoy that modification, make sure you click the subscribe button below. Now before we go, obviously, you guys, if you're new to the channel and you may have not seen the BMW 1 Series, it is absolutely filthy at the minute. So we are looking for that front bumper. So let us know. We're probably going to go for the 1M bumper. So if anyone knows where to get them from, put up links in the description below. If you're enjoying the videos, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Okay guys, before I go, someone put in the comments like a cool / weird trick about the BMW 1 Series, and I'm actually going to do it now just to show you guys, because I did it a minute ago and I was like, what the hell. So you start the car, so clutch down, press the button, car started, yeah? So, and then I stop the car, take the key out, my foot is still down on the clutch, and then press start, and the car has started, and the key is right here.